What's going on, guys? My name is Isaac Haro. I'm the operations manager and the developer of Fast Bridge Group LLC. This is the navigation video. Alrighty, so this here is our homepage. So the first thing you see when we have the homepage is the login button, download app, a switch themes. This is our name, Fast Bridge Group. A button here that says access fast. So if you click on this and want to access fast, you'll be going here. And then to submit properties. So if we have sellers and they want to submit their properties, they're going to be submitting them then here. I'm also going to add something to do with referrals. So if they've been referred by somebody, I'm going to have it a section for that. You scroll down a little bit. This is Lori. This is our broker. She helped us launch this thing. We just have some more verbiage down here. And then we also have our social media links. And down below, we also have our disclaimers, our valid disclaimer, equal housing, just all that good verbiage stuff. So on the login page, we have the terms and conditions, so you can go ahead and read all of that. So this is our homepage. Our homepage, we have a calendar on the left side here. And then we also have a chat GPT on the right side. So if you have any questions about real estate, you can ask it here. Down below, we have join the meeting. So we have a little Discord section here, which we're going to talk about a little bit more. We also have our daily Bible verse on the left of this. So yeah, this calendar tool, how to use it, you click on a day. Say you want to set yourself a reminder, go pick up kitty litter, and you can set the priority. So if it's high, low, medium. So for this, I'm gonna put high. You click on add to planner. It's gonna go here like a to-do list, checklist. But if you also go back, you'll then have a flag. So red is high, blue is low, yellow is medium. Self-explanatory. Ask it a question here. It'll pop up here. If you need to go on full screen to see it better, you can also click on that there. Same thing with the calendar. So the analytics tab. This is what I like to call the motivation tab. This here is strictly for yourself. We as managers can oversee a couple of things here. So that would be just the offer term sent, offer submitted, and how many deals you have closed. So we just have the know of that, but this is mainly for you yourself. You have set yourself a goal, you want to see how you've been doing the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, you'd be able to do that here for this year. Yeah, so that's pretty much what this is. So you can set yourself a goal. Oh, I haven't hit my goal yet. It's going to motivate you. Either it's going to make you mad or it's going to make you be more upbeat for that. Alright, so next we got the MLS hot deal. So right now on your screen it's going to be blurred all over this section, but typically we're going to have a lot of addresses here, and this is where the MLS is going to be feeding the system. Right now what you're seeing are placeholders, images, but it's going to have the address, it's going to have all the agent information inside of it. MLS hot deals. So this is where you're going to be able to make your bucket. So the buckets are going to be like, if you want all of Orange County fixers, you type in those keywords and then you'll get all those properties there for you to hunt. But yeah, moving on, we got the My Deals section. So you click on My Deals. So this is where you're able to import your own properties, or it's gonna have the recently clicked on properties also in this tab. So how this works is that you click here, import property. Now you get a link from either Redfin or something like that. You enter it there, you click on autofill, and it automatically puts in all the information for you. Or if you have the property itself, you can click 123 Main Street, click on the wand here, and it automatically fills it out for you, and then you get put onto the property page. Okay, so this here is an placeholder, so it's AI. This is a fake address. Hopefully YouTube understands that. So this is the address here that's going to be displayed, but again, it's fake. This is just a placeholder. So this one is going to have 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. So this is after you click on a property. So you'll be clicking on it on MLS hot deals, or you import a property, and this is how it's going to be populating once you click on it. So now you're on the property detail. So here what you're able to do is make a file for this. So if you guys send down an offer and you guys get into escrow, you can put all your documents here with this button. So yeah, you'll have the list price, you have the evaluation metrics, market info. So you scroll down just a little bit, you will have the agent status. So you're able to put what status are you with this agent. Have you initiated contact? Have you sent out the offer terms? Did you continue to just follow it? You're able to put whatever verbiage you need to put so that way you can keep tabs on it. Assign property to, so you click on this and you can assign yourself to that property. So once again, this is a fake image. This is all AI. You scroll down a lot more, you see more information about that property. You click on comps. So this is where you're able to search it up. But again, this is a fake property, so it's not actually going to take me to a location. As you can see, it's taking me to a random road, but typically it's gonna, so let's say for this example, the property was in the Golden Gate Bridge. Here's the Golden Gate Bridge right here. What we'd be able to do is go to aerial mode, so we'd be able to see it with the satellite mode. We also have Google Earth on here, so if you scroll down here, I need to get rid of this verbiage. Screen won't have the little orange thing right here, and it won't have the subject property name. You don't have to worry about that, but you'll be able to use this Google Maps and, you know, check out all of this data like satellite. What we can also do is click on Street View. So this automatically takes you, like this one's taking me exactly to the street for whatever reason, but let me zoom out real quick and actually check it out on the street maps. So all you have to do is just take the little peg man, move them around where you want to be at. So I guess now we're on the bridge, I think. Let's look around. Yep, there it is. It's the Golden Gate Bridge. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much the comping map. So how we're doing this is you're looking at the property information, you're looking at the comps, what's the market looking like, what's the data, and after that you're going to be going to the investment analysis. But yeah, Steve will go over this a bit more so we can understand that a little bit better. So yeah, we'll have the agent information here. For some reason it has actual information, so I'm gonna have to block this out. Then we go to offer, then we put what we wanted to offer. So that Golden Gate Bridge was 45 million, so we're gonna put that there. Moving on, we got the campaign section. So this is currently work in progress. Each of our people that we work with, they're gonna get their own Twilio number. We got FBG messaging, so this is integrated messaging, so we can text each other on the platform. And now we got community. So I was looking at Discord and I saw that I could just make a Discord on our platform, so I did. You can join the meeting like this. You can also share the camera, so this is another camera angle I have, and you guys will be able to see each other. Look at that. And then you guys can also share your screen at the same time, just like so. And then when they expand view here, I'm trying to make it so you'll be able to still see the camera there. You're able to mute yourself, you're able to deafen yourself. There's a settings area, so you can up your microphone level. Having it so you can also change your microphone input or your headset input, and then that's pretty much that. Still got to configure that and make it more smooth, make sure that it actually works when multiple people join. So this is the agent workspace. As you can see, there's a black box right there because I can't show this information or my email or these people emails and whatnot, so this screen is mainly redacted. Just know that it's a work in progress. Now right here, same thing. This is DocuSign area. This is where you're going to be able to send your purchase agreements and another type of agreement. I forgot what it's called, but there'll be something else here also. Next we got training. So this is where the training videos are going to be at. So this guy from YouTube, I guess he's a really good YouTuber guy. He knows the concepts for passing real estate classes, so I'll be having his links be here also. My videos like this one is going to be here. The MLS spreadsheet, which as you can see, it's very much redacted all on the bottom. I made a system with phone link, and we're going to have to go over some training to navigate this and how to do this. I will make this in a separate video so you guys get the understanding of it. But essentially, MLS spreadsheet and the MLS search are going to go hand in hand. This is where you drop your buckets and how you mass text agents. You can text up to, I think, if you dedicate a couple of hours in your day, you can probably text 500 agents in one sitting. So the setting, extra apps, just everything here on this section is just for your convenience and for you to what's the word? It's so you can utilize the system with as much potential as you can, and I make it super simple and easy for you to. Email section, you'll be able to enter your email here, and these two links, you'll be able to configure your email into the system by creating two-step verification with your phone number. And after you enter your phone number for the two-step verification, you create an app password. All you do is put that app password here, submit for admin approval, and then I'll configure your email, and then you'll be able to send emails through our system. So security, this is where you'll be able to enable 2FA, which is a two-step factor authentication for our application. I gotta double check the code and make sure that this is still working. At the moment, I think it's under construction. So stand by with that. Passwords, that's where you'll be able to set your password and new password and confirm it. Next, notification. So this is the notifications control. This is where you'll be able to turn off all these weird quirky sounds that I've added. So these sounds you're hearing are straight from a game I used to play called Terraria, and I love the sound. I just thought it'd be a great idea to utilize that sound again. Subscription tabs, this is mainly going to be for brokerages that want to utilize our system and use this, not the MLS, because we do not charge for the MLS, but we do charge for the tools that we provide. So that would be the comping, that would be the investment calculator, and that would be just how to navigate this entire system and use our codes and whatnot, not necessarily the paywall. Appearance, this is my favorite tab. So this is where you're able to change your themes to like anything you want, really. Even if you want to tell me to make a custom theme for you, I can also do that also. So this is cloud mode, so there's clouds in the background. It's animated background. We have a space mode, so there's actual animated background with space also. Oh, there it is. So as you guys can see, it's animated background with space. We have a cyberpunk mode, so this just makes it look all cyberpunk. I just thought that was something cool. And you can also change the accents. So this little orange you see here, if you don't want that to be that, you can change the colors of it, change it whatever color you want to. I'll probably just make this a color wheel at the end of the day, but that's what we have it as right now. Like using the sunset mode with orange, this looks right, California vibe. Extra apps, this is where we have links to phone links on Windows and the phone link on iPhone. So this is gonna be for the MLS spreadsheet. These are just easy links for you to just copy and share with yourself, so you can download both this on your Windows application and also your iPhone. Sound, so this is the sound effects, different from notifications. I mixed them up earlier, not realizing notifications are for the alerts on the top right. There's a little pa-ding pa-ding every time you get that. So sound is different from notification. Sound is the clicking sounds on the side, so if you don't want that, you can take it off. The notifications are just the alerts that pop up. That is my apology. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the settings there. We have my agents, so you'll have a spreadsheet of your own agents that you want to implement. We don't have access to that. That's your personal spreadsheet. Active buyers, the same thing. That's your own spreadsheet. We have our own. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be the website. That's everything to do with navigation. We'll make more videos of how to properly use the MLS spreadsheet and whatnot. So appreciate you guys spending the time and checking this out with me. It means a lot. Catch you guys later. Bye.